If your company is investing in trade shows this year, I want to ask you something. You're investing real money. Booth space, travel, staff time, marketing campaign, event production. Some companies are spending $50,000 per show, some a couple $100,000, some are spending millions annually across events. But here's the question most companies never stop to ask. What actually happens at the moment when the prospect walks into your booth? When the rep starts that conversation, they scan a badge, they maybe hand them a brochure, then the prospect walks away. 4 days later, your team starts the email, the calling, trying to reconnect. But that same prospect visited hundreds of booths, and now every vendor that was at that event is chasing the same person down at the same time. Listen, that's not strategy, that's congestion. Attention is at the highest point when that prospect's standing in front of you. The companies that win at trade shows secure next steps before the prospect leaves your booth. In the next video, I'll show you exactly why most trade show booths fail to turn conversations into actual real live next steps.